Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. During the bull market, the company focused on building infrastructure before ordering equipment months in advance. The strategy positioned us to make purchase of landed rigs at significantly lower prices, thus reducing the time between deploying capital and hitting a rating of return of investment, said Zed Bird, CEO of Queensspray. The Oscar-winning movie had been nominated for Best Picture in 2010, but its popularity to this day, the film tells the story of King George faraway attempts to overcome his dreaming issue to lead his country during the difficult time of World War II. Prior of Majesty date, since she received a warm gift from British Boxing Equation back in 2021. Queen Elizabeth was thrilled about the innovation that the technology can bring. The article on gender change information blockchains and GDPR made the impression on Her Majesty. Later on, the United Kingdom gave the green light to stablecoins in this year's Queen's speech, which had to be delivered by Prince Charles, and the Queen couldn't participate due to health issues. As the country is leaning towards crypto, it will be exciting to see how to plan revert in this year Queen's speech is put into motion. Since Queen Elizabeth to date, some members of the crypto community have started capitalize on its by creating over 40 Queen-related meme coins just overnight. The Queen Elizabeth district during the stablecoin plans relief and FTAs reorganized and valuable property. Bitcoin BTC rose in value by 8% to $20 over the last 24 hours, the most in over a month, as the market rallied positively to record high in the European Central Bank ECB, and the false rate hiked by Federal Reserve Bank FID. Chairperson Jerome Powell hitting a peak so far on Friday, 19th September 2022. On Thursday, 1800 2022, the ECB announced a 75 basis point interest rate rise, taking its benchmark deposit rate to 75% following the news. BTC managed to pass up the $20,000 resistance level to trades at 20,728% at the time operating, following with the price of Ethereum ETH Azoros hitting $1 million as a bank predicts to furthermore rise to $3 on the reason for the concern in BTC. Volley is the entirely around how the central banks are willing to go in the terms of the rising interest rate in the face of worsening global economy. CNBC reports the ECB has also revised in inflation expectation, placing them an average of 8% in 2022, and certainly expects to head rates further as inflation remains too high is likely to above target on extended period. Meanwhile, the United States Central Bank FID have the policy to raise rates in the order to tackle inflation. In its public address, Federal Reserve Bank Chairperson Jerome Powell states history counts turning against premature losing policy. But the blockchain technology is its various manifestations, including the Ethereum blockchains and others, is ultimately a global continuous system. It allows people to coordinate and cooperate around the natural source of information without trusting each other. On the central administrator, the use cases are ranging from the finance and energy trading to supply chain management. When the transaction occurs on Ethereum, as well, starting that the process must pay what's known as the gas fee to miners for their work. The problem with non-fungible tokens on the Ethereum blockchain is that it is expensive network, and thus gas fees get raised are simply high numbers when the demand to make transaction is high. NFT is getting so much attention. NFT first appraised in the cryptocurrency industry, and depending on the how weight and net you cast to category of they didn't they work to Ethereum blockchains until 2024. Network embraces in vision of building a rewriting gaming with the multi-year collaboration Google Code with the independent enterprise validator of running a node fault with American brands Deep Raider and Nansen. The firm will take on monitoring validator uptimes and contribute to collective. Another merit the many GameFi players appreciate is the low transaction cost. GameFi informing user at like cryptocurrency, and this makes fund transfer relatively easy to execute and cheap. This is a major bonus when compared to conventional money transfer models have the expensive especially when it comes to making cross-border payments. Maybe that's all for me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.